Good day. Welcome to another series of Chemistry Just Got Easier with DR Tutors. In today's class, we are still going to be considering definition of oxidation and reduction. But here we are going to be talking about definition of reduction and oxidation in terms of electron transfer. Oxidation is a loss of electron from a substance, while reduction is the gain of electron. Let's see what we are talking about with the example on the board. We have zinc solid plus copper to give zinc, iron, and copper. So let's see. Let's write the half reaction. And the first reaction, we have zinc solid changing to this Zn2 plus. Now we can see that here we have 0, which changes to 2 plus 2. And what do we, so to balance up the charges, just add 2 electrons here. Because when you have 2 electrons, it's plus 2 minus 2. So you can see here what has happened. There is an increase in the oxidation number of zinc from 0 to plus 2. So we can say here there is a what? A loss of electron. How do we know there is a loss of electron? When you take away negative 2 from 0, minus 2 gives you what? Plus 2. So it means that zinc changes to Zn2 plus as undergo oxidation because there is a loss of 2 electrons. So when you take away 2 electrons, when you say electron loss of 2 electrons, that is minus 2. So when you take away minus 2 from 0, you have 0 minus negative 2, which gives plus 2. So in this half reaction, zinc is undergoing oxidation to become Zn2 plus. Then we also have the second half reaction. We have Cu2 plus to give Cu. We can see here we have plus 2, here we have 0. So what has happened? A gain of 2 electrons. So plus 2 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 will give you what? 0, which is what? Reduction. Because of what? Because there is a gain of electron. So in this reaction, copper gained 2 electrons to give 0. So the oxidation number of copper changes from 2 to what? To 0. So in this reaction, zinc is undergoing oxidation and copper is undergoing reduction. So zinc is the reducing agent and copper is the oxidizing agent. Remember we said that a reducing agent is a substance that has undergone oxidation, while an oxidizing agent is a substance that has undergone reduction. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.